Hello everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you are watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Colors of Pakistan. Unit is 7, Grade 4, Part 12, based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Punctuation. Punctuate the following sentences using the full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Remember to capitalize words where required. Balochistan is also known for its tribes and festivals. B should be capital. When you do a test or exam, the first thing you have to remember if you're writing an answer and you're about to start the sentence, so how will you start it? When you write the sentence, it says, is Balochistan known for its tribes and festivals? Then if you would write, yes, Balochistan is also known for its tribes and festivals. So how will you do it? Will you do it just the exact thing with no punctuation? Did you punctuate it? When you write a sentence, first of all, when you give back the exam, when you're done with that sheet, and when you give it to your teacher, before you give it to your teacher, what you have to do is check if it is right or not. Is the capitalization done or not? Is there a full stop or not? Is there a question mark or not? Is there an exclamation mark or not? So is there a comma or not? Is there a colon or not? So this is the very important thing. You may know all of the answers, but your marks will be in the answers, correct? Full marks in the sentences, the answers, but what the marks will be cut is the punctuation. If you didn't punctuate it, so then you are failed. You won't get an A if you didn't punctuate the sentence. So whenever you start a word, a sentence, so first of all, the first letter of that sentence should be capital. Like Balochistan. B is not capital here, so that's the problem. We have to circle the B, but not circle it, we have to fix it. So B should be capital. And if it is in the middle of the sentence, and if it's a noun, remember, a noun, if it is a noun and its first letter should always be capital because it is a noun. That is what noun is. Balochistan is also known for its tribes and festivals. You have to always remember when you finish the sentence, what you have to do is, in the end, you have to always add a full stop. That is very important, okay? So you have to remember it. Where is Shandur located? Where is Shandur located? The W is not capital and there is not a question mark in the sentence. And the Shandur S should be capital. These three are the problems. W should be capital, S should be capital, and there should be a question mark. Then why do we add a question mark? The question mark means when we ask something like, where is Shandur located? Where is my doll? Where is Faisal Mosque? It's going where? When did you go to the park? How did you do it? This, when end of the sentence, you don't have to add full stop, but you have to add question mark. Wow, you look pretty in Sindhi dress. Wow, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is missing and W should be capital and S should be capital and there should be a full stop. Why? I'm gonna tell you what exclamation mark is used for. It's used for the expression, and when you use it, that is how they know if it's something excited. Ah, look at that snake. It's very scary. And see, there should be an exclamation mark. Wow, you look pretty in Sindhi dress. Wow, look at that rose. It's so beautiful. So there should be a exclamation mark. Where is Eid al-Azha celebrated? When is Eid al-Azha celebrated? Eid al-Azha is not a place. It's a celebration, like it's Eid. Eid al-Azha. It's not Eid al-Fitr. Remember, Eid al-Azha and Eid al-Fitr are different. They're not the same, okay? When is Eid al-Azha celebrated? You see this? They are using when. So, with the help of the when, so what is missing? E should be capital, A should be capital, W should be capital, and there should be a question mark. The Horse and Cattle Show is a local festival. T should be capital, H should be capital, C should be capital, and the sentence should end with a full stop. Writing. Learning to write. Read the given words and write them in their respective columns. Flowers, horse, food, camel, kites, cow. Spring Festival and Horse and Cattle Show. In Spring Festival, we see flowers, we eat food, and we often play with kites. These are the things we do in the Spring Festival. Horse and Cattle Show. In the Horse and Cattle Show, we see a horse. Horse is here, and camel is here, cow is here. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.